I hire a consultant for your RV renovations, especially if you're doing all of the work yourself. Hi, my name is Shai and I do vintage camper and RV renovations. I do hands-on projects like this vintage 1967 Silver Streak, but I also do consulting for my other clients that are not in my area. And from my experience, this is why they hire me as a consultant. In simple terms, they need a personal coach. There's a lot that goes into RV renovations and remodels. Not even going into the systems like electrical or plumbing. A remodel itself, just the design, the aesthetics, takes a lot of time and work. And although these spaces are small, it quickly becomes overwhelming. There's so many decisions to make. What kind of materials to use? What kind of flooring? And how do I make it pretty? What about custom builds like this sofa bed? All of the information is out there. It's just knowing what to look for. And where do you start? Which is where I come in. From my experience, my clients know what they need to do and the steps to get there because they've already done their research. But they become so overwhelmed that they start overthinking and they get really stressed out. Then they just give up. So my primary job is not to give you the tools, but to pretty much hold your hand and guide you and coach you along the way. I spend a lot of my consulting time reassuring my clients and to help build their confidence so that they can continue with the RV renovation. And then after a while, they start to get it and it clicks. And all of a sudden they can do anything. It's just like having a personal trainer at the gym to guide you along and to show you how to do things. And the majority of our job is just being a therapist and a counselor to our clients. You can do it yourself. You just need a coach. Follow along to check out the rest of my renovations.